The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good evening, everyone. Right now, our temperatures aren't doing too bad for it being this point in January, but that doesn't mean it's great outside. We're going to be around 40 degrees by 7 p.m. and then slide down to the mid-30s by 10 p.m. Not a big change. We do have clouds that are increasing through the evening, and that will help us hold on to some heat overnight going into tomorrow. If it weren't for those clouds, then we would end up with probably even more wintry mix or snow than what we're actually going to see. But those clouds, in turn, prevent us from warming up a ton, so that's part of why the wintry mix chance lasts as long into the day as it does. Right now, those clouds are starting to spread from the south further towards the north. Remember, a lot of that rain is through Mississippi to Georgia, so that's where it's got to head our direction from. It's going to keep on pushing further and further towards the north, but not really reach us for a few hours yet. So if you are outside this evening, you probably don't need a rain jacket, boots, umbrella, any of that. You'll definitely want a jacket to keep the cold out, but you have some time before the system actually makes it to us. Another note with this, even though there are yellows and oranges showing up as it moves through Mississippi, I think it's going to be more on the calm side once it reaches us. So a lot of those rain totals are looking a lot lighter than what they'll get further towards the south. Through this evening, clouds build up so that by 1 a.m. in particular, we're overcast. By 5 a.m., not too much in terms of showers, but a whole lot of cloud cover. Now by 8, we start to see rain crossing the North Carolina border. Pieces of wintry mix at that point. It really depends where the moisture comes as to where we're actually going to see any of that building up. NRV and Highlands are the spots with the best chance of wintry mix because they've got the coldest temperatures, but a lot of the rain is going to be focused further towards south side, so it's hard for that to actually happen. Now, after noon, a lot of our temperatures have warmed up at least a little bit to the point where wintry mix, freezing rain, sleet isn't as much of a concern. We're looking at more just consistent rain through the afternoon. Even by 7 p.m., that's still the case. Now, that rain keeps on pushing further towards the east. We do dry out for a little bit, about 3 in the morning. By 5 a.m., there are pieces of snow showers in Pocahontas and Greenbrier County. And then other than that, just a little bit coming into the very western edges of the NRV are where we've got snow through early on Monday. And even a lot of that is done by noon with only a few snowflakes left over between then and 7 p.m. Rain totals are going to be at their highest in Southside, where we've got the rain mostly just the longest amount of time. A lot of us say under 1/4 of an inch, but Danville, South Boston get up towards a 1/2 inch of rain. Now tonight we do stay pretty dry. It takes until after the sun rises tomorrow at about 7:30 for that rain to really start going. Blacksburg 27, Lexington 33, and Alta Vista at 33 degrees for tonight. And then on Sunday, temperature, just the clouds prevent the sun from getting to us. So Pulaski's at 41, Lexington at 41, and Alta Vista at 39. On Monday, we've got warmer temperatures like Roanoke at 46, Lexington 46, and Danville at 48. On the extended forecast, temperatures are going to rise up into the low 50s by Tuesday, so there is some improvement there. Wednesday, we've got some rain that's going to hang for a good portion of the day, with slightly cooler temperatures after that. Thursday and Friday aren't too much of a change, but Saturday is down toward 40. It's a lot closer to average next week than we had been for a lot of January.